Hello and thanks very much for joining me again today. This video is going to be about one of our bottle openers, the code for which is BOT6. Now, we've had these before but slightly differently. I appreciate what I'm about to tell you probably interests me, it may not interest you, but here is the bottle opener. If I hold it there against my shirt you can see it. You may have seen this design before, but what we've basically done with this one is redesign the neck to make it thicker and stronger, and we've also redesigned the thread so it's now M8 and it comes with one of our wood insert screws. What does this mean? Well, it means this can be used in conjunction with our heavy duty mandrel in a similar way to bottle stoppers. The system we have for bottle stoppers can now also be used for this bottle opener. So I'm going to run you through the process right from the beginning as to how we put all the stuff together. I'm going to do my drilling on a pillar drill, which I'm not going to film because drilling, I wasn't going to show you the drilling, but every time I talk a car goes past and interrupts me, so I'm going to just film what I'm doing over there. The purpose of a video after all is to show you what I'm doing, not just talk to you. So we'll take all this stuff over to the pillar drill and I'll run through one bit at a time as to what I'm actually doing there. Okay, so I've now got my block of wood with my wood insert screw. Now, it's an 11.5mm drill for most woods. There are some woods that are different and difficult, such as African blackwood and yew, that have a very tight grain. You might not get one of these wood insert screws in there. You may have to directly tap an M8 thread to screw the parts onto. We can't cover every different type of wood. Every piece of wood is different, every type of wood is different. Most woods, beech, ash, elm, oak, those are most of the native ones. You'll fit these wood insert screws in without any problem at all. There's only a few that are a bit difficult, and some people do manage to get it into yew. It depends what the yew is like, but I've got mine ready here. So the next thing I need to do is to mount in my 4-jaw chuck the mandrel, the heavy duty mandrel that comes like this. We'll slot it into there like so, so it's sort of, you can see it moves in there a bit, and if you ever wonder what the little dip in the end is for, that is so you can line it up with your tailstock. So if we just line that up in there, that'll get that centered. That should be pretty much spot on. So we're now ready with that, and you can see the thread on there is pretty much centered. The diameter on here is the correct diameter already for the diameter of this part here. So we do have spaces for larger project kits. This doesn't need one, they're matched in diameter roughly. So now all we need to do is screw on our wood blank and we're ready to start the turning process. Get it nice and tight. Now the other thing to mention with these is if you've got a long handle or a very big handle, you will need to support at this end. Any metal part only has a certain strength. You need to look after your part, so just bring that up and just support this end while we do the basic turning, and then we can remove that and do the one-ended turning and finish off without the tailstock in place. So one basic handle, we can unscrew that off the mandrel like so. Take out a bottle opener kit and simply screw it on. It doesn't have to be a long handle. This is a sort of balloon shaped one, and there we go. We'll take a photograph of that, pop it on the website in a bit. So there we go, one finished kit. If I stand behind it with my blue shirts on, hopefully you might be able to see that okay. I'll hold it up to the camera, hopefully it'll focus on that. It's pretty straightforward, and that's just unscrews like so, and it will also screw into a bottle stopper. In fact, hang on, I'll go and get one and show you. I've been fetched one of our stainless steel bottle stoppers. We'll take the wood insert screw off. Come on, off you come. And then we'll screw that on there, so you can see if you've got batch turning or production turning how quick and easy this would be on the lathe, and you can concentrate on the turning, which is the fun bit, and do all your different designs. So I hope that's been helpful. Let's unscrew that and put back on the thing that we were doing. Make sure you don't get it cross-threaded, of course, like I just have. Right, there we go. There we go. Back to as it was before. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed that. I hope it's been helpful. Until next time, enjoy your workshop, and of course do everything safely. Till next time, bye bye for now.